Lesson 20, Solved Problems, Part 7. Examples, number 34, a square-based pyramid with height of 13 cm and square base size, that is, the length of 6 cm, is drawn as shown below. Calculate the surface area of the pyramid. You have the given pyramid. Solution: surface area is equal to area of square base plus sum of area of 4 congruent triangles. Area of square base is equal to length times length, and that is 6 times 6 equal to 36 square centimeters. Area of triangle is equal to half times base times slant height. Slant height is TU, which is obtained by Pythagoras rule, considering right-angled triangle TCU. TU is the hypotenuse. So square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares on the other two sides. TC is 13, CU is 3. You square and you add them. You have it in this form. Square on TU is equal to 169 plus 9 equal to 178. Take the square root of both sides to get TU. So TU is equal to square root of 178, and that is 13.34 cm. Area of triangle is equal to 1/2 times the base 6 times the height. When you multiply and divide, you have 40.02 square centimeters. Area of 4 congruent triangles is multiplying area of one of them by 4 in this form. You have 160.08 square centimeters. Therefore, surface area is equal to area of square base 36 plus area of the 4 congruent triangles. When you add, you have 196.08 square centimeters. Example 35. A right pyramid is on a square base of side 4 cm. The slanting side of the pyramid is 2√3 cm. Calculate the volume of the pyramid. Solution: this diagram represents the given information. Volume is equal to 1/3 times base area times height, given in this form. The height is needed. Before finding the height, EB is first needed, which can only be gotten from AB. We need EB, and that is only possible if AB is known, because AB is half of AB. By Pythagoras' rule, AB from here to this point is the diagonal of the square. So we have two right-angled triangles, since each angle of a square is 90 degrees. The sides of the square are 4 cm respectively. So AB square, which is the hypotenuse, the square on it is equal to 4 square plus 4 square, two of the sides, and that is 16 plus 16 equal to 32. AB becomes the square root of 32, which can be expressed in this form. EB is half of AB. So EB is equal to 1 over 2 times AB. That is 1 over 2 times 4 root 2 equal to 2 root 2. To find the height, we do another Pythagoras rule as follows. We need H. We have to consider this triangle from here to this point, where the slant height is the hypotenuse. So square on it is equal to sum of squares on the other two sides. You have it in this form. You replace EB with 2 root 2. 2 square is 4 times root 3 square is 3 equal to H square plus 4 times 2. You have these results. Collect like terms. You have 12 minus 8 equal to H square. 4 is equal to H square. Therefore, H is equal to square root of 4, and that is 2 cm. We are interested in the volume of the pyramid given by 1 over 3 times square base. The square base is a square whose side is 4, and area of a square is L square. So the side is 4. You square it times the height of the pyramid. 4 square is 16 times the height 2 over 3. That is 32 over 3 equal to 10.67 cube centimeters. Example 36. A pyramid 15 cm high stands on a square base 12 centimeters long. Calculate its volume. Solution. Volume of pyramid is equal to 1 over 3 times base area. The base area is area of a square times height. That is 1 over 3 times 12 square times 15. 12 square is equal to 144. Divide 15 by 3 you have 5. When you multiply, you have 720 cube centimeters. Example 37. The diagram above shows a frustum, which is part of a solid cone. The radii of the top and bottom are 6 cm and 8 cm respectively. Calculate the volume of the frustum correct to the nearest whole number. Solution. We have various versions of the formula for volume of a frustum. One of them is given in this form, where height h equal to 10 cm. Capital arrow is the radius of the bottom, 8 cm. Small arrow is the radius of the top, 6 cm. Therefore, volume is equal to 1/3 times 22/7 times height 10. Bracket open, you have 8 square plus 8 times 6 plus 6 square. That is 220. 1 times 22 times 10. 220 over 3 times 7, that is 21. 8 square is 64 plus 8 times 6, 48 plus 6 square, 36. If you add the terms in the bracket, you have 148 times this fraction. When you multiply, you have this result. After division, you have this result. To the nearest whole number, the volume is approximately equal to 1,550 cube centimeters. End of lesson 20. There is every need for you to be saved if you are not, because the Lord Jesus Christ is coming very soon. Some will be taken and some will be left. Live righteously and be prepared. Goodbye.